Welcome back to Learn Now. In today's video, we'll be exploring how to alter tables and drop data safely using SQL. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we begin altering tables, let's understand why it's crucial in database management. As your data evolves, so do your needs. Altering tables allows you to modify the structure and properties of your database, enabling you to adapt to new requirements without losing any existing data. Now, let's dig into the alter table statement. This powerful SQL command enables us to add, modify, or delete columns in our tables. By using specific keywords and syntax, we can tailor our tables to suit our changing data needs. We will add a column to an existing table using the alter table statement. As you can see, changes have implemented, 2 columns are added. We will be modifying a column in a table, changing its data type using the alter table statement. As you can see, changes have implemented, mobile number data type changed to int from varchar data type. We will be deleting a column from a table using the alter table statement. As you can see, changes have implemented, mobile number column is deleted. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more exciting SQL tutorials on our channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.